In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new list in Mailchimp. Let's dive right in, starting from the Mailchimp homepage. First, you'll want to head over to the main dashboard by logging into your account. Once you're there, directing your attention to the left side of your screen, you'll see a tab labeled Audience. Click on that to proceed further. Now, with the audience page opened up before you, look for the Add Contacts option. Clicking on this will prompt a drop-down menu to appear, giving you a few different choices. Here, you want to go ahead and click on Add a Single Contact. At this point, you'll see a form appear, ready to be filled out with the new contact's information. Start by typing in the email address of the contact you wish to add. It's crucial to ensure the email is correct, as this will be the primary means of communication through Mailchimp. After entering the email, move on to the next fields for first name and last name, and fill those in appropriately. Remember, if you're adding multiple contacts at once, double-checking these details will save you time later. Once the basic email and name information is completed, continue down the form to add the contact's physical address. Here, you'll need to input details such as the street address, city, state, and postal or zip code. It's important to be as accurate as possible here, especially if you plan to use Mailchimp for location-based marketing or communications in the future. After entering the address details, keep scrolling to find options for additional contact details. You'll see fields for phone number and birth month and date. While these aren't mandatory fields, including them can be quite beneficial. For instance, having a phone number could enable more personal forms of marketing, like SMS marketing. Birthdays can be used to send special discounts or messages, adding a personalized touch to your marketing strategy. Next, don't forget to input the company name if applicable. This can be particularly useful for B2B communications, helping you segment your audience effectively. After you've filled out this comprehensive list of details, it's time to finalize the process. Before you wrap up, there's one last step to ensure everything is correct. Double-check each field in the form to avoid any errors. When you're confident that all information is correct, scroll down and click on the Add Contact button. This action may prompt a brief confirmation message, letting you know if the addition was successful. And there you have it, you've successfully added a new contact to your Mailchimp audience list. By following these steps, you're well on your way to managing your email marketing campaigns more efficiently. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out other tutorials for more tips on optimizing your Mailchimp experience.